you bold and beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you have a wonderful day. Oh my gosh, it's another bestie. So our bestie Christine had chosen to use orange, so we have to use orange in our look. So I decided to bring out the BeBella Cosmetics Orange Squeeze Shadow Palettes, and I think Sue has this one. Yes, she did. She does have this one because I sent her one of these because I already had one, and I said, you know what, that's part of the giveaway I did. And yeah, so we're gonna use orange. So there is some orange shadows. We do have an orange shimmer here, right here, and this is like a really glittery one, so we might use that. We're gonna use some reds. We're gonna use some dark orange. Use a bit of yellow. But yeah, so yay! So very excited. This is what Christine, our bestie, just decided to choose for today's challenge. So very excited. So of course we're gonna use NYX's Milk Jumbo Pencil to bring the colors to be very poppin'. So we're definitely gonna make this a little dark. And yep, we're gonna use Little Cuties, right this shade. We're gonna do, I think I'm gonna do one eye. I go back and forth. Sometimes I do both eyes, sometimes I do one eye at a time on camera, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna do one eye just to have a little bit, I don't know, have fun. So I feel like I don't have to be in a rush. Look at that orange. Ooh, I love this orange. We're definitely gonna do this. Use a guideline more than anything. Just gonna blend this. They do have a shade that matches my skin tone, which is great. I like that. I love when there's a palette that matches my shade, or I have to use the Green Belay from WetNWild, which I've done many a times. Oh my goodness. So we're just gonna go with more of a fluffy brush. We're gonna use this kind of brush. We're gonna use here, right here, just to blend that into more blending. I don't know why I keep saying that. Have it more effortless blend. I'm gonna go back to Little Cuties, just to keep that orange a little bit, going back and forth. And then we're gonna go more of a detail. Actually, I'm gonna do what I did last time and kind of have it more of an angle right here. So we're gonna use Orange Rush. Sorry for the background noise. This is gonna be a very bright orange, which I do like. I'm just gonna go and kind of like round it out. It's more of a small detail. I'm gonna go back to Orange Rush just to have it more blended. Now I don't know if Christine has this palette or not, so we shall see. We're just going to go use that, and then I'm gonna go back to the Cuties just to blend that into the edge to give it more of a reddish color. And I love orange eyeshadow anyway, especially for my eyes since they're blue. They're gonna pop even more. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be pop even more. Oh my gosh. So we're going to use concentrated queen right here. This is a nice burnt orange. It kind of matches the shirt, which I do like. So, ooh, like that. Okay. Very pigmented. And we're just going to put this right here. I'm not going to worry about putting on the outer edge or anything like that, because I still want that orange brightness just to be right there. But I am going to blend it into the crease, and that's what I'm just going to do. So we're, like I said, we're going to use vitamin C, the shade right here. Go like that. This is like a really smooth shimmer. It's one of those old school shimmers. This one from WetNWild is their Kohl crayon, and this is called Simma Brown Nail. So we're definitely going to put this right here underneath the waterline. Like, I'm gonna like the Kohl liners because it's more creamy. It's creamy. It's nice to easy to blend, and it stays a lot. It stays on. And we're gonna use booster with this shade right here. We've been using the Tartelets XL Tubing Mascara. I really do like this one. This is really nice. Will I ever pay full price? Probably so if it's that good. But I like the way this one sells anyway, which got this from a bundle they did a couple of months ago. I really do like it. So, oh my gosh, this is a great challenge. I like this. I love these kind of challenge that we do for each other and everything, because we get to play it with our eyeshadows and also to see what we can come up with sometimes. Most of us don't play with greens. Some of us don't play with pinks or orange. It's great to have a good challenge and see what you can come up with. And I really do like this eye. Nice and simple, easy to do. Yeah, I'll be right back with the finished look. I love this look. I love how it came out. Thank you, Christine, for this challenge. It's so much fun. I love it. I love it. Love it so much. So a little mini review here. I tried out the Spoiled Cosmetics Liquid Matte Lipstick. I've tried the purple, and the purple tastes chemically, and it was just weird. Purple is one of those colors that are very particular you got to do. But this one, almond, looks gorgeous. This is going to be my all-time favorite fall lippy. This is going to be a fall lippy. Honestly, it's such a beautiful color and look. It doesn't taste chemical or anything like that, which is nice. So that's a plus. That's definitely a plus. But also, I've decided to put this on because I love this scent. It's called Fresh Musk. They had two other ones. I call it the Musk family because it was three. And it was warm musk that was vanilla. We had a fruity musk that had raspberry in it. But all of them smell really good. But my favorite one, and got this, is Fresh Musk. I really, really do love this scent. It has bergamot, creamy musk, and sheer woods. Such a beautiful scent. Definitely a fresh scent. If you like bergamots and you like a musk, this is a good one. Hopefully they bring this back again, because it was part of the Simma annual, and I feel like they should have kept this a little bit longer, honestly. But it is what it is. But yeah, you could find something similar to this one at Bath and Body Works. There's a couple of bergamot scents that are out there, but yeah. But I love it. I love it. I love it. Like I said, this is such a beautiful look. I really love it. I really love it. Love it. Love it. Really, I don't wear orange around the summertime. I usually wear orange like this during the fall. But it is what it is. But yeah. So make sure you check out Christine and Sue. I will have their channels down below. And yeah, I think you would enjoy both of them. Mama Sue is doing nails and she's getting really creative with that. And of course, you got Christine doing her thing, makeup, beauty, everything she wants to do, which is awesome. They're both bold and beautiful. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.